Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the whitening toothpaste from MSDRWIKEY or Wikey, I don't know how to pronounce that. So as you can see, we have it here on Amazon. So they claim to freshen up your breath as all toothpaste does. So it does a gentle and clean and has gentle care. It also has probiotics with bright white toothpaste which help you with whitening your teeth. So as you can see, this is a value pack. And whiten teeth and protect your enamel, 6 probiotics for better oral health, plaque defense for a cleaner mouth, and boost your whitening with 7 Pro toothpaste. So as you can see, if you're wondering if this product is legit, they're rated 4.1 out of 5 stars here on Amazon with 7 ratings. And as you can see, this person said that it is the best whitening toothpaste. Great product. I've purchased it before. Don't buy. Haven't noticed any whitening. And I don't know what this means. So basically, if you want to go ahead and try this product, you can go ahead and do it. So there are also a lot of products like these. So as you can see right here, this is the 6-pack. The other one was a 3-pack. Let's see if this has more ratings. And as you can see also right here, they have 67 ratings, which is 4.7 out of 5 stars. Refreshing and smooth, great toothpaste, fast, fresh, clean, and gentle on my teeth. Effective whitening probiotic toothpaste. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you want to whiten your teeth, I suggest you can buy this product since it is not a scam and is very much legit. So yeah, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.